Ever felt like you're stuck on a crypto island? You've diligently mined your digital gold, and now you want to cash in, that sweet limbo practically begging for your name. But then, when you try to leave Gemini, the walled garden of crypto exchanges, you hit a brick wall. Why is withdrawing from Gemini such a pain? Buckle up, crypto comrades, because we're diving into the murky depths of withdrawal fees, hold times, and verification purgatory. First, let's dispel the myth. Gemini isn't inherently evil, bent on keeping your hard-earned crypto hostage. They, like most exchanges, operate within a complex web of regulations. Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, are crucial tools to combat financial crime. But Gemini, some would argue, takes compliance a tad too far. Verification vacation, a one-way ticket. Imagine this, you finally decide to trade those Doge coins for that trip to Doge Island, because why not? But before you can book your Doge-themed gondola ride, you hit a hurdle: verification. Gemini requires a multi-step verification process, collecting your personal information like a digital passport officer. While this ensures security, it can feel like an eternity, especially if you're itching to get your hands on your crypto. Hold your horses, and crypto. Now, let's say you've hurdled the verification fence. Congratulations. But hold on to your metaphorical cowboy hat, because there's another challenge: withdrawal holds. Deposited some fiat, regular money, via ACH transfer? Expect a wait of 4 to 5 business days before you can even think about withdrawing your crypto. Why? Because Gemini wants to make sure the funds have cleared before you whisk them away. Understandable, but not exactly convenient if you need that crypto, well, yesterday. The phenomenal dilemma. Fees. The bane of every crypto enthusiast's existence. Gemini prides itself on transparent fees, but transparency doesn't make them any less painful. Withdrawal fees vary depending on the crypto you're moving and current network conditions. For instance, Ethereum gas fees can fluctuate wildly, meaning that quick withdrawal you planned might come with a hefty price tag. The great escape: fiat or crypto. So, how do you actually escape the clutches of Gemini, with your crypto intact, of course? There are 2 main routes. Fiat escape pod: if you want cold, hard cash, you'll need to sell your crypto for fiat, USD, Euro, etc., and then initiate a bank transfer. This process can take several business days, depending on your bank. Crypto caper: for the more adventurous crypto enthusiasts, there's the direct crypto withdrawal option. This involves transferring your crypto directly to your own external wallet. The benefit? Faster transaction times, usually. The downside? You're responsible for the security of your crypto once it leaves Gemini's vault. Is there a brighter withdrawal future? Is there any hope for a smoother Gemini withdrawal experience? The good news is, Gemini is constantly evolving. They're working on streamlining the verification process and potentially offering more flexible withdrawal options. Additionally, as the crypto space matures, regulations might ease up, leading to a more frictionless withdrawal experience across all exchanges. Remember, crypto caveat emptor. Here's the bottom line: while withdrawing from Gemini can be a chore, it's not an insurmountable one. Just be prepared for some verification hurdles, withdrawal holds, and, of course, fees. Do your research, understand the process, and factor in the time and costs before diving in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventuring.